Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp messages in iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve it? Simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. The first step is that you just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and is going to the software update and is update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going to the iPhone storages and have to make sure that you have a less storage space in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So showing that the 68 GB is free on my iPhone, so make sure that your device have too much storage. After that, just going to scroll it down and you see the option of a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings. From here, just click on the network settings, reset network settings. After that, just going back and just going to the app of your WhatsApp, just like that. Click on that and just going to the settings of your WhatsApp and just scroll it down and just going to the chats and you see that the option of our chat backup and you see that it's showing the backup. So you just simply just click the backup. It's gonna backup on your Apple ID, just like that. You just enter the Apple ID in the settings, just going to the Apple ID. And if you want to change the Apple ID, just going to the Apple ID and just like that and just see the option of Apple ID and it's showing my Apple ID. So my chat, WhatsApp chat backup on that what's that Apple ID. So if you want to change the Apple ID, just simply sign out your Apple ID and again sign in to that Apple ID and just going to the WhatsApp. It's gonna again the backup to that Apple ID. It's you getting the option of again backup after that. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.